Where the hell's Bill? Let's go to Somerville. Another Tommy Somo insane adventure. You know. Here waiting for Bill. Blow the horn again. So I got a cooler full of beer I want to drink. I got 10 minutes I want to kill. So I can kill the cooler that fast. Oh yeah, here's our Russian toy car I got. Isn't that like cool as shit? I love this thing. That is radical. I got to the Vladimir and Igor about what the words all say on it. I think it's a Russian police car. I'll find out more later. But in the meantime, I'll try to find Bill and another excellent adventure still unfold. Plus we go to Somerville or something. I'll talk to you guys later. What are we going to do? Sit in Somerville in lawn chairs?
Yeah.
That's what goes on? Can I drink beer? This is Bill, by the way. A lot of fun filming and frivolity we have with him. I mentioned Bill's always happy all the time. It's like Mr. Sunshine. Hi, Bill.
Hi. You're going to have to put up with the perfume I got on.
What do you wear? Dutch whore French cologne?
No. It's an English one. It's Old Spice.
Oh, I used to wear that, you know.
I've been wearing it since I was 15.
I like that till a friend turned me on to stuff from the Azores. It's called Captain Mullinooks.
You notice that trick I just did?
What trick was that? Open the trunk up? I'm talking about cologne. Hi, honey. I got your bag in back of the car.
Okay.
Bill said we should have brought lawn chairs. You didn't tell me that before.
I'll sit on the curb.
I sit in the curb?
Yeah,
Want a beer? I didn't bring a Coors Light, though.
Let me just set these on the hood.
Go ahead. How's the trunk key? It's in the ignition.
I have to go upstairs to get another one. I think I got one there.
I worked my ass off all day. I'm goofing off now. I don't know. My friend's got my lawn chair. She hasn't brought it back yet, bitch. Yeah, I'm talking about you, Kristen.
Let's see. Where the hell could this be?
Oh, he's out of camera frame now. Walk in the house, the door's open.
Oh, I locked it.
We'll go in the garage.
Where do you gotta go? Bathroom?
Well, I was going to go put some pants on. You want to change here?
Pants on. You got pants on.
She's gonna wear sexy clothes for you. She's out of the office.
Are you really?
Yes, I put her sneakers and everything.
Come on, I'll help you change.
There you go. Good man, Bill.
In the garage here.
All right.
You can go in the house.
They're on the fire, the Bill.
Here, this is the key. It's the lock.
Let the cat in.
No, don't let the cat in.
Hey, Bill likes the cats in the house. Sleep in a bed with him. Other one leave yet? Another hot rod. Let me Triumph tank top. Show it off. Your breasts are too big. The Triumph should be higher. So you want to bring it to a restaurant where it's like cold?
Yeah.
Why, so you get nipples erectus?
Yeah. Right, Bill? You take me to a restaurant where it's air conditioned so I get cold?
Yeah, if you let me tickle your tits again.
$20.
Again, I said.
It'll cost you this time.
I said again.
The Triumph should be a little higher on that. But this does look nice. There you go.
Oh,
Right across the nipplage.
that's it. You can line it up with the nipples. No, this one's low. You got a lower nipple.
Are you wearing a bra?
No.
I like this.
Here, put them back up. What?
Got any ice cubes? Got any ice cubes?
Make them hard?
Yeah. I guess we should
They
go.
got hard when I tickled them in there.
What's my $20 then?
No 20 bucks.
Ah, cheap fuck.
She likes
Oh,
it.
there's Boots. Hi, Boots. I love Boots. Little buddy. Hi, Boots. Dad took you out, did your front line and stuff. His daddy loves you, doesn't he?
Yeah, he's a good kitty.
Yeah, I know you love him. You can't fool me. All right, let's get going, guys.
Okay, take care.
Take care. Aren't you coming with us?
No. I'll see you later.
You're no fun.
Which ones? Could be two, maybe.
This lines up and hangs out. Nice Rebel. I like the station wagon.
Look at these. That's nice. Look at that Chevy.
Fucking head. Much bigger than his vet.
Hard to see out these windows, Tom.
Ah, film anyway. I like the Rambler. That's neat. Right up my alley.
You can let them go. They have the right of way.
I'll be polite. To a point. Nice fucking AMC's around here.
Oh, I like that one.
You like that one? I'll buy it for you, honey. What do you say?
Ooh, yeah. ZZ Top.
Please say parking space for show cars. I don't like it.
Yeah, well, that's for the normal people.
We're not normal, though.
No, we're not.
The 65 Chevy police car, you're kidding me, right? I had 5 in it.
You had 5 of them?
It's my favorite car in the world. I love them things. I got out of it, though. I was giving the guy about, damn,
Ooh, a Studebaker.
$8,000 and bought this game away. Guy couldn't believe it. I like the Bullet, too. That's neat.
Oh, look at the pickup truck, Tommy.
Sure, I'll buy it for tomorrow.
That's like a 63.
66.
66? My grandfather had one like that, except it was green.
What are parking guides? Any parking guides?
That's nice. Got little, what is it, 36?
I assume. I definitely assume.
Yeah, that does it for me.
What the hell time is it?
I don't know.
Probably around.
Because kicking around early around here? You're right about that shit.
7:08.
It's 10 after 7. See, now this guy shouldn't be there.
There's not one original car here. I mean, there's a couple.
You didn't look at the Chevy I told you to look at.
Oh, I didn't see it because I've got the place. You see any cruiser cars here, honey?
Any cruiser cars?
Yes, a couple of cruisers. Hey?
Oh, a Mini.
Can you do this?
I can do it all I want.
Easy cruiser. You're dealing with a house.
Watch this guy back up right in. Hey, thanks a lot. Appreciate it, you fuck.
Don't tell anybody, that's not allowed.
I only got 40 points. Those are 20 points. Hey, you snooze, you
I'll
lose.
get out and stand there.
You get out and stand there.
Okay?
Better get out quick, because I'm backing up right about now.
Go ahead.
To splash the poor guy who's treading his directions in the cruisers. And there's the Mini Helen likes.
Look, I like the Mini. I want the Mini.
Isn't that neat? Why isn't this focusing? All right. There's the buttons there. I'll worry about that later. Hurry the puppy. It's over here. We're parked. I splashed the poor guy. Caused a lot of trouble. Hi, Sunshine.
Did you want to see my cavity?
Look at, wow, I got a doctor for that. Let's go for a walk.
Okay, let's
See
go.
anything cool, videotape it.
You live in Kingwood and you have cavities. That's a good sign. You still have your teeth.
Chicks like that.
People in Kingwood don't. No, you can't. You're not allowed to do this.
Do what? Oh, back on easy again. Okay. Can I have the Ferrari? I'll look good in that. I'll make that car look good.
No, I want the boat.
She wants the boat.
Go.
So this is the big deal, Somerville, huh, Bill?
You're not impressed?
I'm very impressed. It's neat.
I'll tell you what, I think it's neat.
Nice. Don't know.
Wait till later. It comes to life like a bell.
That's a Guinea's wet dream right there.
How do you get the 287?
So we'll be back with more. Bill's like, think who's this idiot? You know this guy?
Got a license for that?
You know,
Yeah.
this is not just rock and roll.
What is this?
That's just not rock and roll. Says it right on the back.
Oh, he's one of those crazy triker dudes.
There you go.
That's what we're talking about. My mother warned me about guys like this.
3 on the ground.
Who are you?
Dick Craig's not just rock and roll.
Oh, you know this poor guy, Bill?
For a long time, too long.
Cheer him up, would you?
Cheer him up. Tickle his ass with a feather. Not me.
I call him Mr. Sunshine.
Mr. Sunshine. I haven't done that in a long time.
We'll see you later.
Play nice, kids. Play nice.
We'll be very good, I promise, Dad.
Put the sand in the sandbox when you're done.
All right. Watch out for the cats?
Yeah.
Make a point here.
What if these people won't want to?
I thought we would stop filming. There's a gallery of strangers. Unbelievable. It's all these vacant storefronts. Put a bar in it. We'll make a fortune. We'll put a bar here and we'll call it Built Right Shoes. I'll put the hamburgers, burgers with the people, and I'll entertain everybody. So a mini for you, honey.
I love my minis.
That's a new one. It's not the same.
It'll be an antique someday, believe me.
My shop here.
You got a shop down here?
Yeah, well, left-hand side.
Where are we?
Davenport.
Davenport Street, Somerville.
Davenport Street's the one that Diane lives on. She's a block in from 22. One girl that goes home.
Oh, really?
That's where I have my team meeting on Thursday. There's an individual assignment and a team assignment.
That's cool. I'm gonna like shit like that. What a freaking Rambo's out here. Look at this. I look good in that too. That's a personality. It's weird. That's right.
That's Art the Fart and Henry.
That's Art the Fart and Henry.
Yeah. You got,
Art the Fart and Henry.
yeah.
Is this a blast from your past, these two guys, or what?
Is it? I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
They tell you any stories about you, Bill?
No.
No? No way. I gotta figure this bloody thing out. That's what I call horsepower, folks.
I'll be back.
I'll be back.
I'll be back. That's like 6 miles away from my house.
And then we'll get on the other side of the street. Hey, what's this? A Goodwill store and donation center? We should hit that. We're cheap. Yeah, they had them.
My Gary,
So you want a custom is what you're looking for?
Yeah, that's nice. That's real nice.
They're available. We'll find you one.
That's perfect.
You look good in that.
Oh, that's
I like that. No fenders. That's bitchin'.
nice.
How's it? Pick it up, Bill. Live a little. Hell with it. This cool Jeep. I said it before. I love it. We kind of modified it. It's screen war error. It's a lot of questions. Still trying to find a World War II Jeep stock someday. See what happens. It's got a cool modified. What have you had to do with stock? It's in real nice shape. Bill? Are we down here?
I'm ready to grab this guy's food.
Let's go to the place. Let's go to a restaurant down here and we'll go to eat. We're done. I gotta go feed Bill. He's gonna freak out.
So many.
The Grandma's Deluxe.
I think Jack also.
The Grandma's Deluxe. Your Mom's Deluxe. You're Electrolux. I like that. I like your great grandmother's one. That's pretty cool though.
I think it's an Electrolux store.
You think it's self vacuum cleaners now? That's neat.
There's a lot of responsibility.
What's that? It's a Matador. What's a Matador? It's a new car from AMC. Remember the commercials when we were younger? That's a Matador. Hey, Bill. Here's for sale. What do you think?
Nope.
Nope. Let's be the blue lights. Oh, it's a coat.
Time for you to go down there and get that other.
We absolutely almost wrecked that truck.
That's a Matador. I remember them things. They were great. Well, we had a nice dinner, and they were hanging out. There's Bill and Helen. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
How you doing?
That's happening. You know, all kinds of cool stories about donkeys on board ship and rum.
Picture of you?
Nothing this doesn't mean. You'll kill it. Oh, I am.
Listen to that. The Barracuda. Listen to it.
My brother Raymond had a friend with a Barracuda. It was silver back in high school. The thing was sick. That car was so jacked up. I remember climbing a hill, Suicide Hill. It was like a level.
That one's right.
Good mechanic. That truck. I love that truck. There it goes. That thing's neat. I'm telling you, we should buy and sell corn out of the back.
Yeah. Tomatoes.
In Newark, tomatoes, corn, zucchinis.
That's what he said. He said we should buy some tomatoes and zucchinis, get a truck and go to New York.
Here's our one down. If Bill wants to go to Miller's, we might do that a little bit. We're hanging out on lawn chairs. And we're going to chill out a little bit. You know, golden night, I guess. Bill's on a roll tonight. Oh, yeah, look at Alan's new shirt Bill gave. See? He likes that. So we're just hanging out.